Ensure that you're having your belts tightened or replaced or balanced. 3 common problems you're definitely going to see are: 1, low airflow, loss of airflow. Second one is going to be noisy motors or excessive vibration. And third is going to be leaks. Could be air leaks, could be water leaks. For loss of airflow, you're going to have problems such as dirty filters. Making sure you're checking the filters monthly. Depending on what size your filters are, replace it monthly or every 3 months, depending on your size. That is the number one compressor killer in a package unit, but it is a number one killer for a blower motor in an air handler due to plugged coils or plug filters. If you don't run filters, you're going to have plug coils, which will also decrease your efficiency, also decrease airflow, and then putting too much stress on your blower motor, making it over amp, and then taking that blower motor and decreasing the efficiency and life expectancy. Make sure that you're having your belts tightened or replaced or balanced. Any of those will affect the life expectancy of your motor, and also making sure you're not under greasing or over greasing your bearings. Over greasing does just as much damage as under greasing. Leaks, air and water. There are 2 different types of leaks you can get in your air handler. One would be water and one would be air. Ensure all your duct is tightly secured, insulated if so. As far as water definitely could be from condensation. Want to make sure those drains are clean. If you want to get little tablets, we can get that for you. Put them in there to make sure they stay clean. Otherwise, you can do a mixture of bleach and warm water through it. Just these couple tips will kind of ensure the life expectancy of your air handler. You can definitely get on a maintenance plan with us, and we can get that taken care of for you.